This is the static formula training template. Our new users can use this template to learn how to use our custom functions and especially the static formulas. To use this template, we need to have the add-on installed and activated. Once the add-on is activated, we just need to type in one of our SKUs here manually. After that, let's try the product formula and try to fetch the image of this SKU we just typed above. So this is how we do it. You can type in product and then just select this. Here you can use two different options. The cell reference, that would be B18. So you see B18. And you can also use this icon and select this cell, or you can also use manual and do B18. But it's the same thing and I'm going to use the cell reference. Here we have three different options, select from list. So this is what the select from list means. I'm going to search for small image URL. I'm going to leave the marketplace empty and the refresh frequency set to daily. I'm going to uncheck this box as well since I don't want to include a refresh button at the top. Before inserting the static cell, just make sure the cell where you want the static function is selected. Hit this button and this is what happens. So we have a static function here and then here we have the built-in image formula, built-in Google Sheets image formula, and it's converting this URL into an image. Let's try some other formula. Let's convert the SKU to SN. To do that, we need to use the SKU SN function. Again, type B18 here. I'm going to leave everything empty or unchecked since the conversion type is optional and the default setting is already SKU to SN. This is the SN for the SKU we typed above. And this is how all of these functions are going to work. In case you want to delete any of the functions, you can do that so by going here and let me show you how this delete button works. Once I hit delete, this is what happens. Let's say I want to make a duplicate of this function. I can just go in here, change the settings or just keep it the same and then hit this button. In case there's something you need to edit, you can just click edit. And in case where you have to use the same formula multiple times, you can just go to this menu, duplicate the formula. Let's say we want to use B19 now and we hit insert static at selected cell, and then while staying in the same window we can just do B20 and then hit the button again. And what's going to happen is that you will see multiple formulas while we are using the same window. So this is how we can make the process faster. And that's all. Thank you.